Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to study few more topics of system of linear equations and matrices. So let's study the first topic, that is rank of a matrix. Firstly, we will define the rank of a matrix. A rank of a matrix A is equal to number of non-zero rows in row echelon form. Means firstly we have to find the row echelon form and then we have to count the number of non-zero row. So it will give you a rank of a matrix A. Right? Rank of a matrix A is denoted by row A. So for example, if we have a matrix A as 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, right? This is a matrix in a row echelon form. Okay, now we have to count the number of non-zero row. So here we have two non-zero row, right? So we can say that the rank of a matrix A is 2. Okay, now let's begin with the properties of rank of a matrix. So the first property is rank of a matrix remains unchanged by elementary transformation. Means if you make the elementary transformations, the rank will remain same. The next property is rank of a transpose of a matrix is same as that of original matrix. Okay, so firstly we'll study what is transpose. So for example, let's consider one matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Now its transpose, that is A transpose. So here we have to interchange rows and column. Okay, so this row will become column. So here we have first row 1, 2, 3. So it will become the column 1, 2, 3. Next here we have 4, 5, 6 and then 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is your A transpose. So this property states that rank of A transpose is equals to rank of matrix A. Okay, and the third property is the rank of product of two matrices cannot exceed the rank of either matrix. That is, rank of AB is less or equal to rank of A. Okay, AB means here we have to take the product of two matrices. So the rank of AB will be less or equal to rank of A, or rank of AB is less or equal to rank of B. Right? Now let's begin with the example, that is find the rank of following matrix. Here matrix is given, that is 2 minus 2, 4, 1, 0, 3, 2, 0, 6. Right? So first we have to find row echelon form. So for that we need 1 over here, right? But here we have 2. So what you can do, either you can divide it by 2 or you can bring this 1 over here. Okay, so we will bring this 1 over here. So for that we have to interchange the row. Okay, so we will apply R12. We are interchanging first and second row. So you will get 1, 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 4 and 2, 0, 6. Okay. Now the next step is to make 0 over here. Okay. Now we have to make 0 in the second row. So firstly we will write R2. Here we have plus 2, so we will write minus 2. And the leading one is in the first row, so we will write R1. And we are making changes in the second row. Okay. Next, we have to make 0 over here. So this is R3. Again, here we have 2. So we will write minus 2. Leading one is in the first row. So R1 and the changes will be in the third row. That is R3. Okay. So we will apply this operation. So you will get this first row as it is. Okay. Now here we have to multiply by minus 2 and add in the second row. So minus 2 plus 2 you will get 0. Next 0 into minus 2, that is 0 minus 2. So here minus 2. Next minus 6 plus 4. So you will get minus 2. Okay. Again to form this. Okay. So what we will do, again we have to multiply it by minus 2 and add in the third row. Right. So you will get minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Then 0 plus 0. So again we have 0 and minus 6 plus 6. So 0. Okay, so this is the form. Now we want 1 over here. Okay, so what we will do, we will divide it by minus 2. Okay, so minus 1 upon 2 and it is second row. So we will write R2. So you will get 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0. Now you can see this is our row echelon form. Okay, so here we have leading 1. These two are leading 1. Okay, and now we have to count the number of non-zero rows. Okay, so you can see that we have 2 non-zero rows. So the rank of a matrix A is equal to 2. Right? Now let's begin with another example. Find the rank of a matrix this. So let's begin with the solution. Matrix A is given, that is 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 0. Firstly, we will reduce it to echelon form. Okay, so here we have leading 1 in this position. What we need to do is we have to make 0 at this two position. Okay, here we have 0, so we have to make 0 here only in the third row. So we will use the operation R3 minus, here we have plus 3, so we will write minus 3, and the leading one is in the first row, so we will write R1 and we will make the changes in R3. Okay, so you will get this first row as it is. Okay, and now here we have to multiply by minus 3, so minus 3 plus 3 you will get 0, then minus 2 into minus 3, so plus 6, 6 minus 2 you will get 4, then minus 3 into minus 3, so 9 plus 0 you will get 9. Right? Now we have to make 1 over here. Okay, so what we will do, we will divide it by 2. So you will get 1 upon 2 into R2. Okay, so you will get 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 4, 9. This first and third row as it is, we have made changes in the second row. Now this is our leading 1. So the next step is to make 0 over here. Okay, so this is the third row. So we will write the operation as R3. Here we have plus 4. So write down minus 4. Leading 1 is in the second row. So we will write R2 and we will make the changes in third row. Okay, so you will get 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, 1. First two rows as it is. And now multiply here by minus 4. And add with the third row. So you will get here 0. Then minus 4 plus 4, 0. Minus 4 plus 9, so here 5. Okay, now the next step is to make 1 over here, right? So we will divide it by 5. So 1 upon 5 into R3. So you will get 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1. First two rows as it is, and here we have 1. Now this is our row echelon form. Okay, and these three are leading 1. Now the next step is to count the number of non-zero row. Okay, so you can count. We have 3 non-zero row. Therefore, the rank of a matrix is 3. Okay. Now, let's begin with the another example. Find the rank of a matrix. This matrix is given. So, solution. Here A is given, that is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, leading 1 is already there. So what we have to do is we have to make 0 in this position to form row echelon form, right? So for that we have to apply row operation. Now we have to make 0 in the second row. So firstly we will write R2. Here we have minus 2, so write down plus 2 and leading 1 is in the R1. Okay, so R1 and we will change in R2. Next we have to make 0 over here. This is R3, right? So we will write R3. Here we have plus 1, so write down minus 1 and leading 1 is in R1, so R1 and changes we will make in third row. Okay, so you will get this first and fourth row will remain as it is, right? And we will change in second and third row. So here first multiply it by 2 and add in the second row. So you will get 2 minus 2, that is 0. Then 4 minus 1, so you will get 3. Then 6 minus 3, so you will get 3. And minus 2 minus 1, so you will get minus 3. Okay. And next for here what we have to do, we have to subtract it. So here we have to multiply it by minus 1 and then add in the third row. So minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0, then minus 2 plus 0, so minus 2, then your minus 3, 1 plus 1, okay, so you will get minus 2, and 1 plus 1, so you will get 2, correct? Now the next step is to make 1 over here, okay, so you can bring 1 over here also, or you can divide it by 3 also. So firstly here we will divide it by 3, and also we will divide it by 2 over here also in the third row. So you will get 1 upon 3 into R2 and 1 upon 2 R3. Okay, so just divide by 3 in the second row and by 2 in the third row. Okay, so you will get 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, and 0, 1, 1, minus 1. First and fourth row as it is, made changes in second and third row. Okay, now next step is to make 0 at these two places. Okay, so what we will write the row operations? R3, now leading 1 is in the second row. So R3 plus R2, and we will make changes in R3. Next, to make 0 over here, so we will write R4 minus R2 and change in R4. Okay, so you will get this first and second row as it is. Now just add these two, so you will get 0, then minus 1 plus 1, so you will get 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Okay, now for next, what we have to do, we have to multiply over here by minus 1, and we have to add in the fourth row. So you will get 0 over here, then minus 1 plus 1, so you will get 0. Then minus 1 plus 1, so again 0, and plus 1 minus 1, so here again 0. Okay, so now this is the row echelon form, and here we have the two leading one, and these two are 0. Now we have to count the number of non-zero rows. So you can see here we have two non-zero rows. So we can say that the rank of a matrix is 2. Okay, so in today's session we studied rank of a matrix. Okay, so it is denoted by row A. What we have to do, we have to find row echelon form. Okay, and then what we have to do, just count number of non-zero rows. Okay, and this number of non-zero row will be your rank. Okay, so I hope you have understood in this session. Thank you for watching.